How to do glass bar effect. To begin, I added a video to my timeline, and I want to create some glass bars that move from left to right and zoom on everything when they are above it. Click on New button at the bottom of Project Panel and select Adjustment Layer and click OK. Now drag the adjustment layer above your video in timeline and adjust its length to the duration of the effect you want to create. Now go to Effects panel and search for Transform. Drag and drop Transform effect into your adjustment layer. With your adjustment layer selected, go to Effect Controls and under Transform, set the scale to 120. Now go up and under Motion. Uncheck the Uniform Scale, then set Scale Height to around 150 and Width to around 30, and Rotation to around 20. Now we created the glass and it's time to animate it. Move the playhead at the start and click on Stopwatch next to Position to create a starting keyframe, then drag Position First Value until the glass is out of the preview window. Then move the playhead at the end and increase Position First Value until the glass is out of the preview window from the right. This will create the second keyframe. Now our animation is completed. To make it look nicer, hold down the Alt key and drag the adjustment layer to above tracks to create two duplicates from it. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.